Writing becomes truly engaging when readers can clearly imagine the people, places, emotions, and events you describe. This is where descriptive vocabulary plays an important role. Instead of using simple words like good, bad, big, or nice, descriptive vocabulary allows you to paint vivid pictures with your words. Whether you're writing an essay, a story, a travel blog, or preparing for exams like IELTS, TOEFL, or UGC NET, using descriptive language can make your writing more interesting, expressive, and memorable. In today's lesson, we'll explore powerful descriptive vocabulary that can transform ordinary writing into compelling storytelling. Let's begin with descriptive adjectives for appearance. Instead of describing a person as simply beautiful, you could use words like radiant, graceful, elegant, charming, or striking. For example, rather than saying, "she was beautiful," you could write, "she had a radiant smile and an elegant presence that immediately captured everyone's attention." These descriptive words create a much stronger visual image for the reader. When describing landscapes and nature, advanced vocabulary makes your writing more vivid. Instead of saying, "the mountains were beautiful," you could describe them as majestic, towering, rugged, or snow-capped. A forest may be lush, verdant, or dense, while a lake can be serene, crystal clear, or tranquil. Imagine the sentence, "The majestic mountains overlooked a serene lake surrounded by verdant forests." Such descriptions help readers picture the scene almost as if they were there. Descriptive vocabulary is equally important when writing about emotions. Rather than saying someone was happy, you might use words such as delighted, thrilled, overjoyed, content, or ecstatic. Similarly, instead of simply saying someone was sad, you could choose heartbroken, melancholy, gloomy, devastated, or disheartened. Choosing the right emotional word makes your writing more authentic and emotionally powerful. Actions can also become more expressive with stronger verbs. Instead of writing walked, consider verbs such as strolled, wandered, marched, tiptoed, hurried, or paced. Each verb conveys a different style of movement. Likewise, instead of saying someone looked at something, you could say they glanced, gazed, stared, observed, or peeked. Strong verbs make writing more dynamic and reduce repetition. One effective way to enrich your writing is by appealing to the five senses. Describe what people can see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. For example, instead of writing, "the bakery smelled nice," you could write, "the bakery was filled with the irresistible aroma of freshly baked bread and sweet cinnamon rolls." Sensory details allow readers to experience your writing rather than simply read it. Descriptive vocabulary also improves character descriptions. Instead of saying someone was kind, you could describe them as compassionate, generous, considerate, or benevolent. A smart person might be brilliant, insightful, intelligent, or knowledgeable. If someone is difficult to deal with, words like stubborn, arrogant, impatient, or argumentative provide much more precise descriptions than simply calling them bad. When writing about places, use specific adjectives that reflect the atmosphere. A city can be vibrant, bustling, historic, or cosmopolitan. A village may be picturesque, peaceful, or quaint. A classroom might be lively, organized, or welcoming. These words help readers understand not only what a place looks like but also how it feels. Weather descriptions offer another opportunity to use descriptive vocabulary. Instead of saying, "it was very hot," you might write, "the scorching afternoon sun shimmered across the deserted streets." Rather than saying, "it was raining," you could write, "a gentle drizzle covered the quiet town, creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere." Such language immediately creates stronger imagery. One of the most effective techniques in descriptive writing is replacing overused adjectives with more precise alternatives. Instead of big, use enormous, gigantic, massive, or immense. Instead of small, try tiny, compact, petite, or miniature. Instead of good, choose excellent, exceptional, remarkable, or outstanding. These substitutions instantly make your writing sound more sophisticated. Another important element is the use of figurative language. Similes, metaphors, and personification make descriptions more engaging. For example, "the stars sparkled like diamonds across the night sky" uses a simile. The wind whispered through the trees uses personification by giving the wind a human action. Such expressions make your writing more imaginative and enjoyable. Reading high-quality literature is one of the best ways to build descriptive vocabulary. Novels, travel writing, biographies, and classic literature expose you to rich language and creative expressions. Whenever you discover a new descriptive word, write it in a vocabulary notebook along with its meaning and an original sentence. Reviewing and using these words regularly will gradually improve your writing style. Practice is equally important. Choose a simple object, such as a park, a cup of coffee, or a rainy day, and try describing it using at least 10 descriptive words. This exercise trains your brain to notice details and select precise vocabulary. Over time, descriptive writing will become more natural and effortless. In conclusion, descriptive vocabulary is one of the most powerful tools for effective communication. Words such as radiant, majestic, serene, verdant, thrilled, melancholy, strolled, glanced, vibrant, picturesque, scorching, and exceptional help transform ordinary sentences into vivid, engaging writing. By choosing precise words, appealing to the senses, and practicing regularly, you'll develop a writing style that captures readers' attention and leaves a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English vocabulary lessons, writing tips, grammar tutorials, and language learning strategies. Comment below with your favorite descriptive word from today's lesson and use it in a sentence. Keep expanding your vocabulary, keep practicing your writing, and see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!